Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the status of your lost/stolen INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I am on the IMEI.info page currently, and now all you need to do is to type your IMEI number right in here in this bar. So simply click on check IMEI. Now we want to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks free, and now we have our lost device check, which is the last option. So we want to simply click on it. In here we need to type our IMEI number. Also, if you want, you can type the second one and the serial number. And now we need to click on this blue button, check lost/stolen status. And now we have our answer and the report. This device is reported in the IMEI.info lost/stolen database. Also below we have the information about the incident date, the country, the city, also the description, the price, the contact name, the email, the phone number. Is it verified? And as you can see, it is reported in the database. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.